Okay, so this is me again, Jopet44. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a cold start of the weed whacker. I've already done one, but it was called Image 0193, and it got no views. I don't like when my videos get no views. So first of all, you have to do that. Actually, yeah, the engine's cold. I just ran it about an hour ago, but I don't know if I need to. I'm gonna put the choke on, then you let her rip. Maybe you don't need the choke on, so you turn the choke off. Yeah, it's an awesome weed whacker. It's like a string system. It's the most awesome system in the world. Starts really easily. Yeah. And yeah, I'll make a review on it. And yeah, well, great weed whacker. Bye.